Welcome and welcome back to another video. And today is Tuesday. And it's like 6:30 in the morning. It's cloudy as hell out, but I'm on the bridge and this is what it looks like on the bridge. The trees are starting to turn. Some trees are turning more than others. Can't really see. But the river is super low. Like low. Like low. Yep. And I'm off to Penobscot Avenue. I don't know, I might check out. So, we gotta go to Bangor today. We gotta go to Sam's Club and pick up some food. And, so that's gonna be fun. I don't mind going to Sam's Club. It's pretty fun going there. You just ding in all the friggin' items that you get, because I have the app. You ding in all the barcodes on there, and then you just pay with your card on the app, and you don't even have to go through the line. Oh, we got some tomatoes. We got some tomatoes there. These are great flowers right here. It's hard to kill these flowers. Marigolds. Pretty. These are great fall time flowers right here. Oh, look how rich these are. These are pretty. Let's see here. What are these? These are supposed to be celery. I don't know if they got any celery in there. It's like something's been digging in there. It's probably a cat taking a, yeah. I don't know what the heck that is, but something got at it. And cabbage. And there might be a small cabbage in there. Man, this is the lousiest garden I've ever seen. But whatever. I don't know. I think they changed from vegetables to flowers. So we're off to see what we can get into today. So I hope everyone has a lovely day. Bye. Okay, I'm back, and I'm almost to the spot where sometimes I see deer. Not often. Sometimes. Depends, I guess, on their mood or something. But they probably found out that we were videoing them. And there was like tons of people around and junk. So they were like, nope, I'm out of here. Oh man, look at that beautiful tree. That tree is gorgeous. A few trees turning over there. See any deer down there? Not really, huh? About over here. I'm gonna walk down here. I never walk down here. I'm gonna check it out. A little rustic looking. Watch there be a deer on the other side. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna go down this way. I never go down this way. Those trees are... Maybe I'll sneak up on one from the back. Look at this tree. Look at this one. That's some pretty ones right there. I wonder where this path goes. What does it say? No four-wheeler. I wonder where this goes. I'm not sure exactly where it goes. But it looks creepy as heck. Look at all these trees. I'm like in behind people's houses. I'm not sure how far it goes. I'm not sure how far it goes. Maybe it goes down to maybe it goes down to the water. Check this out. Go down in here. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going, but I'm exploring. God, I couldn't sneak up on anything. I'm not sure where I'm going, but it's pretty exciting. I'm behind someone's house, behind people's houses. Looks like a foot trail or something. Oh man, look how cool it looks. Like it used to be like part of a river or something. Same thing with over here. Check out this tree right here. That tree is cool. This tree is mega cool. It looks like this is wicked creepy. I don't see any tracks, and I don't see any wild animals. Hopefully it stays that way. Oh, this is so friggin' cool. I'm like looking at everything. Oh, these trees are really cool. These trees are mega cool. This is super cool. It goes down to the river. Spider webs. Yeah, it goes down to the river. Nice little trail though. Somebody maintains it because it looks like a pretty good trail. Oh, now this is freaking cool as heck. I don't know, should I keep going on should I keep going on this trail? Check this tree out. But check this out. See this? It's all open over here. And you can keep going over there. Should I keep going? It turned all, this is sand. Oh man, this is kind of scary though. Oh, look at that tree. Look at this tree. This is a cool tree. Oh, now that's cool. My word, this is scary. I wonder if this goes all the way to the clearing over there. See, all behind me are all people's houses. You know the houses that I went down Penobscot Avenue? These are all like in behind me right there. Oh, I might come down here more often. I might come down here when it's like snowing and shit. Oh yeah, see, they even cleared a path. Like land ends right over there, and they just maintain it. Maybe I should go check it out down here. I don't see no trespassing signs. They probably got what do you call that? a tree. They might have like a tree thing, camera in here. Look at this. This is so freaking cool. Oh my God. Oh, this is so freaking cool. Look at this. Now this is neat. This is neat. Oh, this is so neat. This is the Penobscot River. And you keep going down here and it goes to the point on the other side. Oh, this is neat. And there's the dam. Hopefully no one starts yelling at me for being down in here. But I'm just checking it out. I mean, I'm not harming nothing. Oh, this is neat. Looks like little raccoon spots, footprints. Oh, this is neat. Here is Ooh, my bad. This is cool. This is mad cool. Let's see. I'm hearing some noises. Yup. This is neat. Oh man. This is so cool. Man, no wonder they made a little, no wonder they made like a little oasis down here. This is nice. There's like people's houses up over there. I gotta be quiet. Yeah, so I'll keep going. I don't wanna stay put too long because I don't want people to get upset with me. You can't be down here. Fly with me. Alright, let's go down in here. Let's keep going down this path. I don't know, because I don't want people to be upset with me. Look how beautiful it is. The fall trees. Alright. Let's see. This is where it starts. Like, people must take four-wheelers or something down here. Yeah, they got it pretty nice over here. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, I know where these guys are. Man, they maintenance that. They maintenance this whole thing. But I know where these guys are. Yeah, I think this is somebody's property. So, look how beautiful. So I think I'm gonna go back. Yeah. So like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, you'll get it. So I gotta go before I get lost. All right, where did I have my... I think I gotta go up and through here. So I'm going back. This is so freaking cool. So I'm going back through, and I'm on my iPhone now. I don't know how good the clarity is on here, but oh, like this. Yeah, I gotta be quiet through here because I'm behind people's houses. Oh, where I was just at. Oh my gosh, they keep it super nice in there. I don't know, but gosh, I'm out of breath. I was like nomming it because of the their backyard. You can see like right up to the house. So I was like, good thing I wasn't like being loud and stuff, like tromping through the woods, but being super loud. I'm to the end of this trail now. So I'll probably go down to the docks. That was fun. It was scary, but fun at the same time. I'm not gonna be able to go like too far in there because it is people's, I don't know if people will have, will get mad and stuff, so. Do I see something? I don't think I see anything. Yeah, I went right to the river. Oh, it was so cool. Mom, you hear the little chickadees? Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Yo, I found those, that dual handheld thing to put my iPhone and my Android on there. But hopefully it works. It's really cute. Hopefully it's not a crappy one, but we'll see if it does the job. All right, so now I'm on the road now, headed to the docks. What the hell time is it? It is 7:30. I've been walking for like 2 miles. Oh man, that ain't good. I'll probably make up for it on the way back. But yeah, it's I've only been walking 2 miles. I've been walking for 45 minutes. And yeah. I hope everyone's having a lovely day. And we'll see you when I get down to the docks. Bye. So I'm over by the docks now, and it's a bummer because it's cloudy. That's a super bummer. But I mean, it's not bad. This is what it looks like over. Think I'll see a moose over there today. Let's see. Let's see if there's something over there. Nope. I don't see a darn thing. But I do see some pretty leaves. I don't know if you can see them or not. It's so cloudy, it's hard to see. But here's some. Why does that look like there's animals over there? Let me see. My sight isn't very good. Let's see. Do you see anything over there? I don't see anything over there. I'm on a little tiny screen. The trees are beautiful though. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know how to turn the light like up and down. Here's a pretty one right here. Someone to the dock. I don't know, is the sun coming out? I gotta get going though. I gotta hoofing her back. See all the leaves on the ground. Whoa. This tree is watch this. Ready? Oh, cool. Well, I'm gonna do this with my iPhone and see what happens. So, oh, it looks like the sun's trying to come out. Yes, I have a fascination with leaves, with trees. Oh, this is another cool one. Ready? I'm glad I didn't step there. There's some gross poo over there. But, oh, my bad. Actually, I should check out the runaround, see what that's like. Usually there's some really pretty, let's see. Oh, it looks like there's 2 people over at the camp. So, I hope everyone's having a lovely day. And like and subscribe to my channel. And while you're over to the subscribe button, hit the like button. And then peruse over to the notification button. And smash both of them. And I hope everyone's having a lovely day. And we'll see you on my next adventure through my town. Man, I keep finding these adventure spots. It was kind of crazy today. So we'll see you later. Bye.